Now this is the all new Nissan Tekton which has been just launched in the Indian market, and in the video today I'm going to walk you through all the official accessories that you can get with this SUV. First of all, come here. This is window frame kit that you can opt for the new Nissan Tekton. It looks nice, but it's plastic of course. Emergency car kit. It's a torch basically, and which can also act as a hammer just in case if you want to crack the window open. Vacuum cleaner, of course it's useful just in case if you want to keep your car clean. And this is wireless charger. I didn't know that it came as an official optional accessory, but of course you can get this. There is of course no charging, though no pricing available yet, but we'll let you know in future if whenever it's available. Star roof light. This is a dual dash cam for your car. This is how it looks like. Roof lap, satin chrome. Screen guard for your screens, of course. You get two screens. One is 10.25 inch screen and the other one is a 10.1 inch screen, which is the central screen. Of course, this is how it looks like. And this is audio 9 inch with reverse cam. Up above you get multiple cushion for the neck. This is cushion headrest. This is cushion lumbar. Cushion kit pillow with the seat belts, as you can see. This is you can place inside your SUV. Body cover, and this is tire puncture sealant, of course. You can buy it from officially from Nissan, and there is some more accessory on the outside. This is door visor with satin chrome. Now of course, like I told you, there is no official pricing of these accessories available yet, and we'll let you know about that whenever the pricing comes out in the future. Do let me know what you think about the video and which accessory did you really like. Thanks for watching. That's all on the show today, and as always, drive safe.